The legal fight between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has been going on for years, and now it's finally coming to an end. The cryptocurrency community is very nervous. The Bitcoin market and XRP could change a lot because of this case. The company that made XRP, Ripple, has been fighting claims from the SEC that XRP was sold as an asset that had not been registered. This fight has made huge waves in the Bitcoin world. Ripple is facing serious legal consequences, and XRP's future is in danger. What does it mean for XRP that the case is over? No matter what the secretary says, it could have a big effect on how U.S. officials handle all cryptocurrency projects, not just Ripple. The swell win this fight and make it easier for XRP to spread and be used by more people, or will the verdict make things harder for XRP and the cryptocurrency community as a whole? Soon the case will be over, and now everyone is thinking about what might happen to XRP, Ripple's future, and the crypto industry as a whole because of this ruling. This decision could change the way crypto is regulated, the scene for years to come. To get a sense of how big this case is, let's quickly go over what led us here. The SEC sued Ripple in December 2020, saying that it sold XRP as a security that wasn't listed with the SEC. In their complaint, the SEC said that Ripple had sold securities without being registered, which was against the law, something required by U.S. law for stocks. This was said, but Ripple refuted it, saying that XRP is not a security but a digital asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's what started the court case, and the case has been a big deal in the cryptocurrency world ever since. Its defense has been that the SEC was unfairly treating XRP differently from other cryptocurrencies, and that there were never clear rules on how to control digital assets. Also, they said that XRP has been used for years, and that the SEC's hasty move to label it as a security was wrong and happened too late. Before letting the public buy XRP, it needs to be registered as an investment. Ripple and other cryptocurrency groups have been paying close attention to this case. The decision could change how other digital currencies and blockchain projects are controlled, especially those that have been looked at closely by regulators in the same way. For more clarity in how the government deals with cryptocurrencies, or it could make new rules that would have a huge impact on the market as a whole. This battle has been expensive, but the stakes are very high because the result will likely affect their future and how XRP is used in the financial world in the future. As the case comes to an end, we can finally begin when the case is over. The most important thing to know is what this means for the future of XRP. The case result, whether it favors Ripple or a settlement, will have a big effect. If Ripple wins, it could be a big turning point for the company and XRP in the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Putting XRP back on big exchanges that took it off the market because of the uncertainty in the case could make more people want to buy it, which could drive up its price and make it easier for investors and users around the world to access. Ripple would also no longer have to deal with legal battles that are still going on, giving the company time to focus on growing. Ripple has been trying to improve cross-border payments by using blockchain technology to make transfers quick, cheap, and safe. If they win in court, they won't have to worry about legal problems stopping them from bringing these new ideas to market. In addition, XRP may be used more often in real life, especially in the business world. Some people think that the Bitcoin market will become more clear if the case goes in favor of Ripple. This win could set a standard for how officials handle other digital assets in the future. It could also make the rules for regulating cryptocurrencies clearer, which would make it easier for other plans to grow without having to worry about unpredictable government actions. Ripple's success could make the way for the whole cryptocurrency industry clearer, which would boost confidence among developers and investors. If the SEC wins and Ripple loses, on the other hand, things could get much harder for XRP and there could be more limits on how it can be used. sold and used, which could cause the token's value to drop and stop Ripple's business plans. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies are now eagerly waiting for the final ruling and what it will mean for the future of Ripple XRP and the whole industry. The ripple effects of this case go far beyond Ripple and XRP. How this court case is settled could change all of the cryptocurrency market. If Ripple wins, it could mean a big change in how cryptocurrencies are regulated in the US and set a standard for how the SEC handles other cryptocurrency projects. The case has made things very difficult between authorities and people who use cryptocurrencies. One way to look at a win is as a victory for new ideas. And using blockchain technology, it would mean that cryptocurrencies can grow without being limited by old or unclear rules after a possible Ripple victory. A wave of more specific rules that make it easier for crypto companies to run their businesses could lead to more blockchain-based projects. It might also make traditional banks want to invest in cryptocurrency more, since they see it as a safer and more stable business. There could be a lot more price changes in the market if Ripple loses and the SEC is able to classify XRP as a security, conditions that are worse for the whole business. The SEC's closer look at other cryptocurrencies could lead to more regulatory crackdowns on projects that don't follow the government's reading of securities laws. This would put more pressure on other businesses and could stop them from coming up with new ideas. Many companies might decide to, even though the focus will likely change to putting the legal drama behind it and stepping